Day two. Morning. So right now it's currently 5:30. We're just getting ready before we head off to Toyosu Fish Market. Beef and egg. Spicy cod roll. Let me explain. So this was what was playing at the convenience store. So good. Anyway, back to the vlog. Okay, let's get on again. Alright, what else do you want? So right now we're out at Osaki Station. So we're just waiting for the transit train, transfer. Taking another train. We're going to be taking 3 trains to get to Toyosu Fish Market. Here's Ruben.
Yeah, I'm going to.
This place is huge and also smells like fish. I can help? Yeah, pick up trash, yeah. I can help? Ruben, I gotta pick up trash. Oh, but it's so clean here. Like that? Thank you. Thank you. That's so cool. So it actually turns out that they're part of a company. I think the same workplace. So they just come here and pick up trash.
Oh, together?
Yeah.
As like volunteer?
Yeah. When I first asked him, he was like, hey, can I help? And he's like, oh, sorry, no thank you. I was like, oh shit. But he's like, but he was like, yeah, you can try if you want. And I was like, okay. But right how they do that, like, it's so cool. Just like cleaning up. View's nice here. So we're inside this arcade that pretty much... What the hell is that? Oh, the bells? So inside an arcade that pretty much rents by the time allotment. Oh my god. Oh, I mean someone's here. So inside this arcade they've got games and stuff, but they've also got a full ring and a badminton court behind as well. And they've also got baseball machines. So I want to give that a go. just went skating. Was it skating? Skating. Rollerblading. Rollerblading. So I just went rollerblading for the first time. I've never done it before. It was so fun. It was really scary because I thought I'd trip and probably break my ankles, but it was really good. Overall, it was really good. So yeah!
Healthy.
Online racing tournament over there. So cool. And this isn't a museum or anything. This is just like some random show that popped up and they just have it here. Like no entry, don't need to pay, don't need to sign up, anything. It's just cars for you to sit in, races. Upstairs they had like more VR stuff, high-tech stuff. And then this guy, he's here as well.
This guy keeps running away. I can't use the Wi-Fi.
Oh, true. Ruben, what are we doing now? Pancakes! Making pancakes, making pancakes. We traveled far and wide to go to a pancake place. And then we didn't have time to go eat pancakes. Ruben's not very happy that we didn't get pancakes. Nah! Making pancakes! I think it's starting to rain. She was supposed to go Mario Kart tonight, so I'm not too sure what's gonna happen. So I'm here by myself right now because Ruben's kind of chilling upstairs, and I'm gonna get us some dinner because we have to be heading off soon. So nothing better than that. Ruben, are you excited?
Yes, very, very excited.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Very important to step both pedals comfortable all the way down and only step here, okay? Then here is the seatbelt, okay? And here is a small pouch so you can put passport, water, phone. Then adjust a little bit right and left mirror. Please take your seat, adjust the seat, put your passport.
That was so good. That was
so fun. It was like just blasting down the streets.
If we had too many days in Tokyo, I would do that again.
Making pancakes, making